The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Kupiansk direction, the armed forces of Ukraine, with 2 companies of foreign mercenaries, attempted to attack Russian positions in the direction of Novoselovskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. All the enemy attacks have been repelled. During the day, more than 130 militants and Ukrainian personnel were killed. 3 tanks, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 2 Humvees were damaged due to firepower and Russian forces' actions. In Krasny Liman direction, the Ukrainian armed forces failed to conduct an offensive with 3 reinforced battalions in the direction of Makeyevka, Loshchanka and Chervonopopovka of Lugansk People's Republic. As a result of the active actions of Russian troops and artillery, the enemy was thrown back to initial positions. Furthermore, the armed forces of Ukraine's advanced reserves were annihilated in Terny And Kirovsk of Donetsk People's Republic. The adversary suffered casualties of nearly 200 Ukrainian personnel killed, 120 wounded, 4 tanks, 9 armored fighting vehicles and 8 automobiles. In South Donetsk direction, in order to halt the Russian troops' offensive, the Ukrainian armed forces attempted to counter-attack in the direction of Nikolskoye and Rovnopol of Donetsk People's Republic. Russian artillery fire, assault and army aircraft attacks halted and scattered counter-attacking enemy troops in Vodinoye and Novoselka of Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 80 Ukrainian personnel were defeated, as well as 3 infantry fighting vehicles and 2 automobiles. In Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, 5 motorized infantry companies of the armed forces of Ukraine launched attacks towards Milovoye, Sukhanovo, Ruskinskoye and Dyshenko in Kherson region. As a result of the fire damage and successful actions of the Russian troops, the enemy was thrown back to initial positions. The enemy suffered total losses of more than 80 Ukrainian personnel killed and injured, 6 armored fighting vehicles and 7 vehicles for other purposes. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery eliminated the command posts of the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade and the 115th Brigade of the Territorial Defense of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, close to Mirolubovka in Kherson region and Zvanovka of Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 96 artillery units in firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 158 areas. During the counter-battery battle, a Ukrainian platoon of Grad MLRS was defeated in Volchansk of Kharkov region, as well as an artillery battery of the armed forces of Ukraine in Novoselka of Donetsk People's Republic. 1 US-made AN-TPQ-37 counter-battery radar station was destroyed near Dzerzhinsk in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 radar of Ukrainian S-300 air defense missile system was destroyed near Vyskun in Nikolaev region. Furthermore, 1 Ukrainian munitions stockpile was damaged near Novaya Kamenka of Kherson region. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces has shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Kostyrka in Kherson region. During the day, 8 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were shot down by air defense facilities close to Burgunka, Bobrovy Kut and Dolgovka in Kherson region, Yepifanovka of Lugansk People's Republic, Novaya Tarasovka in Kharkov region, Alexandrovka, Nikolskoye and Pavlovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 13 projectiles of HIMARS, Olha and Uragan were destroyed in the air above Antonovka, Novaya Kakhovka, Grusko-Lomovka and Svobodnaya in Kherson region. In total, 330 airplanes and 168 helicopters, 2,422 unmanned aerial vehicles, 384 air defense missile systems, 6,297 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 882 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,547 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,986 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Слава усім нашим героям, слава нашому прекрасному народу, слава Україні!